I am going to discuss a problem on the complex number, and the problem is based on the concept of equality of two complex number, right? And the problem is that this one is given if x plus iy raised to the power 3 equals to u plus iv, and we have to prove that u by x plus v by y will be equal to 4x square minus y square, right? This one is the problem that I am going to discuss in this session. So what is the approach of this problem? First of all, we have to expand x plus iy raised to the power 3 according to the concept of a plus b raised to the power 3. That means we are going to use the identity of a plus b raised to the power 3. Now the identity of a plus b raised to the power 3 equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now take a equal to x and b equal to iy and expand x plus iy raised to the power 3 according to this identity, right? A equal to x and b equal to iy. In this identity you can get x cube plus 3x square into iy plus 3x iy whole square plus iy raised to the power 3. Now this x cube will be written as it is plus 3ix square y plus 3x I square y square plus I cube into y raised to the power 3. I square equals to minus 1, I raised to the power 3 equal to minus I. Put I square equals to minus 1 and I raised to the power 3 equal to minus I. After putting these values we can get this one. Cube plus 3ix square y minus 3xy square minus iy raised to the power 3. Now collect the real terms and imaginary terms. The real terms of this x plus iy raised to the power 3 are x cube minus 3xy square. That means this one is the real term. Plus I will come out from this term and this term, then it will come out I into 3x square y minus y cube, right? That means x plus iy raised to the power 3 will come out x cube minus 3xy square plus I 3x square y minus y cube. This one is the real term and this one is the imaginary term. Now, according to the problem, x plus iy raised to the power 3 equals to u plus iv. That means this will be equal to u plus iv, right? And hence, using the concept of equality of two complex number, we can write down this one will be u and this one will be equal to v. That means u will be equal to x cube minus 3xy square and v will be equal to 3x square y minus y cube. U equal to x cube minus 3xy square. Divide both sides by x. You will get u by x will be equal to x square minus 3y square. B will be equal to 3x square y minus y cube. Divide both sides by y. We will get b by y equal to 3x square minus y square. Now, according to the problem, we have to add u by x and b by y. Hence, by the addition of these two, we can get u by x plus b by y will be equal to 4x square y minus 4y square. And hence, we can write down u by x plus b by y will be equal to 4 into x square minus y square. This is the way to solve this problem. And hence, this problem requires two concepts. One is the identity of a plus b raised to the power 3, and according to that, we have to expand x plus iy raised to the power 3, and then after that, using the concept of equality of two complex number, we can get the value of u and v, and then after that we can prove this statement of the problem.